Alright, so we are back here near my 390 adventure. So we will go through the installation process of the tank bag. So as you can see, the tank is a bit dirty. Right, so before installation, it's good to clean the tank once. So let's quickly clean the tank. Okay, you can see now the tank is neat. Moreover, I got a layer of PPF done so that there won't be no scratches on the tank. Okay, firstly we need to take this and install this T-stem lock. That is the front over near the tank. So there you go. This loop needs to be put around the T-stem of the bike. Okay, you need to remove this from the loop before installing one side. So here it comes out. And now we need to place it under the T-stem. Okay. You need to, now once it's untied, you need to put this below the T-stem. To make some space, there are a lot of wires underneath. Once this is full, you could insert this inside the strap so it doesn't fall apart. Then you can secure it based on how much you want it to. You can adjust. Okay, before mounting the bag, we'll also secure the other 2 points where the bag will lock into. So these straps here, these needs to be secured. So we'll secure this strap and then mount the bag. Okay, in order to secure this strap, we need to find the right place to loop it around. Okay, I will be mounting on this part of the frame. So before mounting, you need to put it here, and you can see this loop lock. You need to insert this into the loop lock. So that it locks itself. So there you go, it's locked securely. So now I will take it from here, then lock it to this part. Now we should adjust the strap so that it fits tight. There you go. Could adjust this as well. Maybe the extra strap, if it is too long, you can cut it and then heat the edges so that the thread doesn't comes out. Okay, this side I'll be mounting the strap on this bar. So I will insert a loop here. Same process. And once that is secured, we'll again lock it. And secure it. Okay, you could now see the bag is now secured with all the 3 points. You can see it is stable. Alright. Another thing is, like in case if you want to refuel, you won't need to remove the complete setup. There is a quick release strap, which is the buckle here. You just unlock these two and lift your bag for the refueling. Once it's refueled, you can put it back and lock it back. Okay, I'm sitting on the bike now, so it's pretty much comfortable, as you could see. No issue whatsoever. It's comfortable to ride. Handlebars not touching. Full turning radius is available. It's not blocking. Well, so this is a very pretty good setup. So this is a non-magnetic one for the plastic tanks. So in case if you want a dual purpose, like you have a metal tank, 2 bikes, either one with a metal tank and one with a plastic tank, you could go for the Rhinox that has got a magnetic tank, as well as you could use for these tanks. So I preferably wanted a non-magnetic one, so I got this. So for 2,749, it's a good buy. And VIATTERA, they are known for making good luggage bags. I will be showing you my touring luggage setup in another video. So that's it for now about the VIATTERA tank bag installation. Thank you.